Hey guys, I just wanted to talk today about being in the moment, being in the present moment, surrendering yourself and being in the present moment to be able to do the things that you want to do for your mind to be free. So if you stay in the present moment, meaning today, and don't focus on the things around you, you'll be able to do more. So the word for today is staying in the present moment. Don't worry about the things that you did not accomplish yesterday or the day before, or worry about tomorrow. Stay in the present moment and worry about today, because only today is the only day that you can worry, because tomorrow's not promised. So stay in the present moment. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next part of the video. And remember, love yourself so that you will love others, so this world will be a much better place. Stay in the moment.
No!
Something to eat? Yes? No? Huh? No? Yes? No?
Sure.
What?
Sure.
I said what?
Just oatmeal?
Yeah, I'll fix oatmeal.
Huh?
Yes, I'll fix oatmeal. Dates. So what's on your agenda?
Shit. Looking at those.
Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning. You know my norm, my regular. Gotta get me some tea though. It's ready. Is it, you gotta tell me if it's sweet enough. yeah, I gotta show y'all some stuff that I found yesterday. On the low. On the low, y'all already know how I do. On the low. It's nice. And I got some other things as well. So, yeah. I'm trying to fix my tea, y'all. I'm very trying to multitask everything. You gonna get your oatmeal? Hello? Y'all, I multitask so many things. But I was supposed to be having my tea
I was
first.
supposed to be having my tea. See what this oatmeal tastes like.
Yeah. I don't know why people think you always gotta have sugar, like loaded down and stuff. What's wrong?
Say that.
Ain't nothing wrong. Yes, you did.
I didn't say
You
that.
said
I
where's
did
the
not
sugar?
say that, y'all.
You said, where's the sugar?
Yeah, well,
Y'all. Sugar is our worst enemy. Sugar is really our worst enemy. They can't see you on that side.
I know it. You do it! How y'all doing?
Yeah, somebody I was watching a video was talking about that, how bad it is.
How bad was it?
How bad sugar is for us.
Oh, really?
That's why people are addicted to it.
Brown
because
sugar is good.
Raw sugar, yeah.
Brown,
that's why I said
brown sugar. I never ate no white sugar.
But I'm saying I gotta get more. But the first thing you said was I want some sugar.
Right. Because you only have brown sugar in the house.
Y'all, I will see y'all a little bit later. I'm gonna drink my tea. There you go. And then I'll show y'all later what I got, okay? Y'all, I think I might have to take these back. Well, not take them back, but see this line right here? This line is supposed to be up some more, so that way I won't, see I have to do like this in order to like really see, or do like that. What y'all think? I don't want to be doing that because that hurts my neck. Yeah. Oh, so let me go ahead and show y'all. Y'all, sorry, matter of fact, today I'm gonna tell him to go get look for a pack of 9-volt batteries for the thing, so we can search and see which fire alarm. Yeah, which one that is, because I don't know. It's in the back, so I don't know like exactly which 3, but I know y'all tired of hearing it. I know, so we're gonna take care of that. So anyway, guys, I left out earlier on my way to work, and I'm gonna just show y'all a few things that I picked up for Sugar Daddy, y'all. Yeah, Sugar Baby, Sugar Daddy. I know y'all didn't think I was for real. I don't do no sugar daddy. I ain't got no sugar daddy. We don't do sugar daddies. But I called them that because of the sugar. But I think I remember like about a week or two, I think I showed y'all the little bit that we had left. So this is basically all I was working with this morning. So yeah, and that is the raw sugar. But I found these. I'll just show y'all what I got from. I got 2 of these from Dollar Tree, which I don't think that's bad. You get 25 of these, guys, and right here, they're certified vegan. So that's 50, and I'm trying to think where I can. Oh, I'm probably gonna put some of these in the over here a little bit, and then so I got both of these from Dollar Tree, which it was not bad at all for 25 of them. I bought these salted nut rolls, guys. Love these. We love these. I'm gonna put those in the freezer. And then I stopped at another store that was not too far away and picked up grits, because y'all know grits have a lot of iron in them. So I gotta start eating some grits, because I always eat grits at baby girl's house, and I needed my own grits. So I got grits. I picked up some Newman's peppermint herbal tea, and this is caffeine free. I also picked up for the boys, even I think Mark liked these too sometimes, peanut butter crackers, just for a snack in the house. And then I know we had got those veggie chips that had honey. Those is almost gone. So I got these spicy sweet chili Doritos. Guys, these are vegan. If you didn't know, they're vegan. And guys, all of this came from another store. This is the vitamin. Oh, and I got the pepper. Excuse me, y'all. I got the whole black peppers, because I'm gonna put them in my grinder here. And sorry guys, these here are 99 cents, guys. Look at that. Look how many IUs that is in those. 1,500. Okay? So I got 3. I got one for myself, and I got one for my daughter and one for my mom. So they were 99 cents. So when you find stuff like that, y'all need to don't just get it for yourself. If you know people like that might want to use those same things, I think you should do that. And then while I was in that store grabbing these things, grabbing these things right here, I'll show y'all what I came across. And I actually adore it. I actually thought it was something else, but it is not. But it could be used for something else. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all real quick what I thought. Y'all, ain't she pretty? Look at this. Guys, that was Mark calling on that, whatever you call that dual thing where you can see people. Okay, but anyway, let me show y'all what I was trying to show y'all. Look at this beauty. Look at that. The color is like a grayish, it's like a grayish black. Basically, it's like this color here. You guys see that? Matches the chair. And it's a little long. I thought it was a runner. I thought it was a rug, but it is actually a runner. And I love it too because y'all already know it's that cotton, 100%. So yeah, I think that was really pretty to put this on top of it. It just really looks nice. It looks nice with the, I don't know. Everything looks nice right there. I like that. So this was $2.99. If you're wondering, $2.99. That ain't bad for a 100% cotton table rug. So guys, I am going to end this video because I promise y'all, hopefully in the next video, matter of fact, when he just called me, I told him, I said, go and get a 9-volt battery. If we can get I told him to get a 2-pack so we can do whichever ones. Because like I said, we have to be here at the same time. So when he come in this evening, we'll both stand there and see where it's coming from. But guys, don't forget, love yourself so that you will love others. So this world will be a much better place. And I will see you all in another video really soon. Thanks for stopping by. Bye, y'all.